Alright. Next step for us will be to talk to the controller. Now, where are we at?
Control bridge.
It's not control bridge?
No,
it's
capture bridge.
Capture. Excellent. What information we have?
Oscar.
Oscar. And who are we?
Cherokee 43080.
And what do we want to do?
Land.
Land the plane. Okay, so
Republic Tower, Cherokee 43080. Ready to land. Information Oscar.
Now, capture bridge.
Capture bridge. Okay.
Can you make the right turn on
Landing Oscar.
Okay, so Republic Tower, Cherokee 43080. Capture bridge, landing Oscar.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let me hit wait. When she's quiet, go.
Republic Tower, Cherokee 43080, landing Oscar.
Capture bridge.
Capture bridge.
Cherokee 43080, Republic Tower, enter left downwind runway 14.
Left downwind 1400.
Left downwind 14080.
Perfect.
Republic Tower, 7 taking up to
okay, now, let's look for the airport. We're going to discuss the left downwind 14 when we get towards the airport. Step number 1 is to find the airport. Let's see if you can find it.
It's over there.
Okay, what do you see over there?
It's right there, the airport. It's right there.
Okay. Excellent. What do you see over there? Right there. You're saying right there. What do you see?
A water tower.
Okay, very good. What else do you see?
Well, the airport.
Do you see the runway?
The runway, yes, I do.
Okay, so you see the airport. You're gold. Okay. Let's point the nose of the airplane towards the airport. And what I want you to do is descend to pattern altitude, which is 1,100. So the thick needle is going to be on 1. The narrow long needle is going to be on 1. That's going to be pattern altitude of 1,100.
Okay.
Short runway 14, Charlie 099.
Beautiful. Now don't forget the airport, right? Let's point the nose right towards the airport. Beautiful job. Excellent.
Turn 7, are you looking to extend your upwind or downwind?
Bring it down. If we could extend the upwind, please.
To the inner shoreline?
Yeah, we'll do the inner shoreline, that's perfect.
Roger, Turn 7, you're looking right traffic, and when you move, please start your crossing.
Huh?
You gotta bring it down to and we will make right traffic.
This little needle is going to go to 1, and that's when we stop the descent. We don't go further. Okay, now, the runway is going this way.
Yeah.
But runway 14 between 12 and 15 is going this way, like towards the back of the plane.
Okay.
So we have to line ourselves in a way that we're going to be on the left
099 runway
downwind to 14.
Section clear for takeoff.
You see the big white hangar to the right of the runway? There's a big white cap. That's a good target. Let's fly into that target. And we're going to be in a position where we're paralleling the runway, where the runway is off to your left-hand side. And that's why we call it left downwind.
Okay.
We're going downwind, that means the wind's pushing us forward. And the runway is off your left-hand side. That's why it's called left downwind.
Okay.
Now, we have to report it to the controller. We have to tell the controller, Cherokee 43080 is on a left downwind 14. Not yet. You have to be on a midfield. That means the airplane is right on the middle of the runway. That means half of the runway this way, half of the runway that way behind us. Okay, you see the smoke over there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's fly to the smoke now.
600 for now, 401 Charlie.
A little bit of power, so we don't have to descend below 1100.
And 4600 is approaching them all.
Which is the pattern altitude. Alright, get that nose down a little bit. There you go, put the nose right on the horizon. Very nice.
Left base for 4 mile final.
Now we can easily see the smoke. We can easily see the runway. Let's fly to the smoke.
4 mile final.
Keep the runway where it's at. And keep your altitude at 1100 feet. You're doing a wonderful job.
Is holding short of 14 at Alpha, 1 around the pattern.
Alright, beautiful.
Then turn your Republic Tower, hold short runway 14.
Right towards the smoke, 1100, looking good.
And Calvin 7 is on right cross.
Roll your
Turn
wings
7,
level.
Roger, you're at, what's your altitude?
1100.
1100 feet. 1100 feet.
Alright, Okay, now we are right under the smoke. We have to look to the runway. So look to the runway. You see the runway?
Yep.
All we have to do is parallel the runway. Do you know what's parallel?
Yeah.
Okay, parallel is basically like two. Okay,
Yeah.
2 lines. Okay, very good. Now let's go ahead. Cherokee 080, left downwind 14.
Cherokee 080, left downwind 14.
Beautiful.
Cherokee 00, I will call your base.
080.
080.
Okay. She will call your base, which means base leg is basically perpendicular. Runway is this way.
Yeah.
We're going to be parallel to the runway. She's going to call the left turn to the base. The base leg is perpendicular.
You
know what perpendicular is?
Right down 1,100.
Excellent.
099.
Thank you. Then turn 8, runway 14, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic this time around.
Alright.
Left traffic.
A little bit to the right so you're not too tight. You want to be wide enough.
Right traffic.
You want to be wide enough. So let's pick a... Is he the antenna over there?
Yeah.
Perfect. Fly right towards the antenna there. It's perfect.
080, the helicopter at your 12 o'clock, north-northeast, down 600 feet. No factor, runway 14, clear to land.
Clear to land 14080.
Clear land 14080.
Negative 6 Bravo Bravo, that was not for you. Cherokee 080, runway 14, clear to land.
00, clear land 14, go.
080, clear to land 14.
Okay, let's turn base.
Sikorsky 1 Charlie Victor, I have a Cessna in the left base for about a 4-mile final, about a mile north of the microwave, 1,100.
Traffic's in sight. We're maintaining visual for 1 Charlie Victor. Can we
put your hand on the throttle and let's go ahead throttle back to 1500 RPM, 1500. No, back.
Thank you.
Perfect, right there. Hold it there. Now, look at the runway.
Okay.
You see the runway?
Yep.
Wait till the runway is lined up with the airplane extended center line, okay? And then turn towards the runway. So not there yet.
Cessna 469er, runway 14, clear to land.
14, clear to land, 80469er.
Chicago 6 Bravo Bravo, you're following a Cessna approaching a 3-mile final.
Good. Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright, let's turn towards the runway.
Chicago 6 Bravo Bravo, you're following Cessna approaching a 3-mile final at your 2 o'clock.
Looking for traffic. Tobago 156 Bravo.
Ventura 7, you're following the Tobago ahead of you in the down. Do you have them in sight?
Traffic inside Ventura 7.
Beautiful. Line up with the runway.
Who's the other equipment call tower?
Excellent. And we're going to attempt to land the airplane, so keep coming down.
44566, hold the short runway.
Nose up just a tiny bit. Very good. Line up a little bit more to the left.
44566, Republic Tower, hold short runway 14.
Hold short,
A bit more to the left. Runway's to the left. Go left.
46 Bravo, 469
Runway's left, go left. There you go.
Travel Cherokee.
Very nice. You see the runway?
Yep.
Okay, good.
469er.
We get you some flaps. See better. See better now?
Yeah.
I gotta get those flaps in there to reduce the pitch. Okay, nice. See the runway very good?
Yeah.
Okay, land the plane. Nose up. Okay. Not too much, back down.
Bravo, have that traffic in sight.
Nose up, nose up, nose up.
The helicopter 7 Mike Tango
Hold it.
westbound.
Nose down a little bit. Up a little bit.
7 Mike Tango westbound
Up, 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 up,
is
up.
approved and
Hold
over the
it.
inner
Up, up,
shoreline.
up, 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 up. Okay, good, 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 good. Excellent, excellent, excellent,
Thank you,
excellent
7 Mike
job.
Tango.
Okay, we're going to make a left here on Gulf.
Cherokee 080, turn left at Delta 2 if you can't make Golf. Either one is fine, and then into the ramp with me.
Gulf to the ramp, 080.
Golf to the ramp 080.
Cherokee 566, runway 14, cleared for takeoff.
Now, listen. The key for a good landing is actually not over control.
469er.
When you were landing the plane, where were you looking?
Touch and go, number 2.
Number 2, clear.
Talk to the microphone.
I was looking at the runway.
You're looking at the runway, okay? It's going to be a little bit more helpful when you're landing the plane to look straight down the runway.
Alright.
Okay? When you're looking straight down the runway, you can have a much better visibility as far as how high you are and how much you have to flare, okay? But you landed the plane all by yourself with my guidance, and I told you not too much, you reduced the pitch. I said hold it, you were holding. I said nose up, you were doing nose up. But if you can do it in less over controlling, it would have been a much smoother landing. We landed the plane very safe. I didn't touch the control. All I was doing was guiding you through, but you had the whole landing pegged all by yourself, which is wonderful. So you're really, really learning. Your learning curve is really, really going up now because there's more and more involved. And very good radio communication today. Very excellent. I mean, everything I told you, you read it back. You told her what it was, and she understands. As a matter of fact, somebody else read the clearance back for landing, and we weren't, it was actually referred to us, but somebody else did it. So.
Cherokee at your 12 to 11 o'clock in about 2 miles.
All right, now we're going to steer the plane straight ahead all the way to the same spot we came from.
Is that a helicopter or a plane?
That's a helicopter. Look, it's got rotary wing. It doesn't have fixed wing. The wings actually spin. And anything that has a rotary wing is either a gyroplane or a helicopter.
Okay. Yep. Tango, I need you to come up on 125.2. That's the frequency that we are using.
Beautiful job. All the way straight to the spot. Clear on the right. Clear on the left. Alright, I'm going to roll the airplane forward. You hold this mixture control and pull it back. Not yet. Go ahead, pull it back. Very nice. Go right into the spot. Alright, now I'll push on the left pedal. Ready? All the way left. Go! Nicely done. Excellent job. Excellent. Off, off, off. I got this guy here at